little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super sweet and fun, a heart lollipop. It's going to look so cute. Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker, and let's get started. Let's begin by drawing the big heart shape for our lollipop. Start at the top, go around, and meet at the bottom point. Make it nice and big. Next, we'll add the handle of the lollipop by drawing a straight line going down from the bottom point of the heart. This is what we hold to eat the yummy lollipop. Now, let's make our lollipop super cute by adding 2 big eyes in the middle of the heart. Draw 2 circles and add a tiny circle inside each for the sparkle. Next, let's draw a smiley mouth underneath the eyes. A happy lollipop is the best kind of lollipop. And to make it even more adorable, we'll draw a cute ribbon bow in the top left corner of the heart. Now, let's add some twinkling stars around the lollipop. They'll make our drawing look extra magical. Our heart lollipop is looking so cute. But let's go over the lines again to make them bold and sharp, so our drawing really pops. Cool! Look how nicely our lollipop is dancing. Isn't it adorable? Now it's time to color our heart lollipop. We're going to use rainbow colors to make it bright and colorful. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Pink color. So pretty! Whoa! Look at our colorful and super cute heart lollipop. You did an amazing job today. I hope you had so much fun drawing and coloring with me. Don't forget to keep practicing and show your artwork to your family and friends. Bye-bye, little artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.